Have you ever seen a jellyfish move? They look like liquid art. Jellyfish are free to roam wherever they want in the ocean. They're literally like floating pieces of art. Did you know that one of the main reasons jellyfish can move so gracefully is because of the way their bodies are shaped? Most jellyfish have a bell-shaped body that allows them to move through the water with ease. The shape of their body helps them to reduce drag and allows them to move freely. It's like trying to move through water with a big, bulky object versus something small and streamlined. The jellyfish's body shape is like a built-in superpower that lets them dance around in the ocean. Jellyfish also use something called jet propulsion to get around. Instead of legs or fins, they have a special sac inside their body called a gastrovascular cavity. This cavity is basically a water-filled balloon that can expand and contract. When the jellyfish wants to move, it takes in water into this cavity and then quickly contracts the muscles around it. The water gets pushed out through these little holes called polyps, which are located around the edge of the bell, and this helps them swim along. It's kind of like when you blow air into a balloon and then let it go. The air rushes out of the balloon and pushes it in the opposite direction. But instead of air, jellyfish use water, and instead of a balloon, they use their bodies. How cool is that? Now, some jellyfish actually move in a different way. Instead of using jet propulsion, they have these hair-like structures called cilia that cover their body. By beating their cilia in a coordinated way, they can move themselves through the water. Think of it like a bunch of tiny oars on a boat, each one moving together to help the boat move forward. These cilia are so tiny that you probably wouldn't even notice them unless you had a microscope. And some jellyfish have these special cells called myocytes that wrap around their cilia. These cells can contract and relax, helping to move the cilia even more efficiently. It's like having a team of rowers on a boat, each person working together to make the boat move faster. So, depending on the species, they use either jet propulsion or these tiny hair-like structures to move through the water. Jellyfish also have an amazing ability to sense their environment and navigate through it. They have these special cells called statocysts that help them keep their balance and figure out which way is up and down. Statocysts are filled with a liquid, and when the jellyfish moves, the liquid sloshes around, letting the jellyfish know which way it's going. They also have these light-sensitive cells called ocelli that help them detect light and dark. These cells are located all over their body and allow them to sense changes in light intensity and even the direction of light coming from. It's like having a bunch of built-in sensors all over your body that tell you how bright it is and where the light is coming from. With these amazing abilities, jellyfish are able to move through their environment with ease, gracefully navigating the currents and finding the best spots to hunt for food. Isn't it amazing to think that jellyfish have been on Earth for so long and we're still discovering new things about them? Who knows what other cool stuff they can do? The next time you see a jellyfish, take a moment to appreciate its amazing ability to move. Whether it's floating through the water like a piece of art or zooming around with incredible speed, jellyfish are truly amazing creatures. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll even learn how to move like them.